What is Forex? How does Forex work? How large is the Forex market? How can you make money from Forex? These things are what we are going to be talking about today, and I hope you find it educative. So, first of all, what is Forex? There are actually two definitions of Forex because we have the physical Forex market, which is the bureau or the exchange point, and we have the online decentralized market. So I'll explain what the physical aspects of trading forex exchanging currencies mean, and then we'll go to the online aspect of trading. So first of all, forex is a short form for saying foreign exchange, and there are multiple markets around the world that trade currencies. There are markets around the world that you can go and exchange your currencies together. So perhaps if you have traveled to a different country, you have indeed participated in the foreign exchange market. You have participated in the foreign exchange market. That is when you physically change your currency to a different currency. And you'll be surprised that, for example, I'm currently in Ghana and I want to travel to Nigeria, and I have 100 cities for me, and 100 cities in Nigerian naira is equal to 10,000 naira. This is for example. I'm just giving an example. 100 cities is equals to 10,000 naira. But then I find out that when I got to the border, when I tried to exchange my cities to naira, I wasn't giving 10,000 naira. I was giving maybe 9,500 or 9,000 naira. Why is it so? So the difference between the two currencies and the way they make money is the reason why they gave you less than you expected. So that's how the physical forex market work, and they always do this in large scale. They do this in large scale. I hope you understand. But then let's talk about the online foreign exchange market. So the forex or the online foreign exchange market is a global decentralized market, which means it doesn't have a centralized place. It doesn't have a physical place where you want to say you want to go and trade online. You do it on your phone, on your laptop. It is decentralized. It is you versus the market. It is you against the market. So is it decentralized or over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies? So this market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It even includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at a current or determined price. And I hope you understand that the forex market, the online forex market, is a decentralized market or over-the-counter market for trading of currencies. And this market, it determines the exchange rates, the foreign exchange rate of every single currency. And it also includes all aspects of buying and selling and exchanging currencies at a current or determined price. So I hope this was understandable by you. So let's talk about how the ways in which you can make money from the forex market, from the online forex market, because then we're talking about online trading, we're not talking about the physical market. So there are actually two ways in which you can make money from the online trading. You can make money from the forex market by simply buying low and selling high. You can make money from the forex market by buying at a low price and selling at a high price. So when you think that the value of an asset will increase, you go long, you buy that pair. Maybe that means you are betting that the value of that asset will rise. You are betting that it will rise. But when you sell at a high price, you are also betting that the value of that asset will decline. It's going to drop. So I hope you understand this. So now, how big is the forex market? The forex market is the world's largest, most liquid market with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion in a single day. So that's how big the forex market is. It's the most liquid market in the world with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. So just imagine participating in the online forex trading market and taking a fraction of that money on a daily basis, or even if it's not on a daily basis, but at least 2-3 times in a week, you are taking profits from the market, from that $6 trillion that's been traded in the forex market every single day. You will definitely be very, very successful and a very, very wealthy person. So that's how large the forex market is. The foreign exchange market is very big, even when compared to the biggest stock exchange market. So I'm just trying to say that the stock market doesn't even come close to how big the forex market is. The stock market is ranging from $22.4 billion in a single day, but the forex market is ranging from 6 trillion. So look at the differences. The stock market does not even go close to the forex market. So that's how big the forex market is, and I hope you understand this lesson. And if you don't really understand it, you can rewatch the video over again to really fully grasp or understand it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, like and comment what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.